How to compare strings in Java. Wanna know how to compare up your strings or two strings in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, when comparing two strings in Java, you cannot use double equals to. That only checks if both strings are pointing into the same memory, not if the actual text is same. Instead, use equals method just like this. So right here you can see equals. So this compares the actual content of two strings. In this case, it returns false because hello with the small h and hello with the capital H do not match. Java sees the lowercase and uppercase as different. Now, if you want to ignore case sensitivity, use dot equals ignore case. So right here you can see this dot equals ignore case. This one says they are the same even if the casing is different. So this is what you'd use in real world. Cases like usernames or input fields where the casing might vary, but you still want it to count as a match. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.